First, you have to figure out where exactly you want to put each of the items: the battery, the inverter, and the controller. And then figure out how big you want to make the piece of wood. After you cut out the two pieces of wood that are going to go in the bottom of the piece of plywood, get your wheels. Don't put them on like this because it's going to be too close to the edge of the wood. You risk splitting it, and it's not very strong doing it that way. So turn the wheel like this so that you got more space from the edge. And you're just going to get your drill and drill 4 holes. You can mark this if you want, but I'm doing it this way. And then I'm gonna take this off and drill the holes out all the way once I drill them a little bit. Now you're going to insert the bolts. And use a hammer to get them to go through. Once you get your bolts in, put the wheel on. Then put the nuts on and get your socket and tighten them down. Then you just do the same procedure for the other 3 wheels. Line it up, get it where you want it, and then start putting the screws in. Just like that. Then do the same thing for the other 2x4 with the other 2 wheels on it, and then that's it, your cart will be done. Here's what the finished cart looks like. Got the inverter, the controller, and the battery. Now we just gotta wire everything together and hook it up to the solar panel, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.